Hello, my name is Nikhilesh Gunta. I am 9 years old, studying in Vidyashil Academy, Bangalore 4C. So I'll be demonstrating how my water saver works. So as you can see, there is a 9V battery. There's 2 pencils. There is 2 sticks, 1 rubber band, and a LED light. So in my circuit, what's the wires connected? What wire is connected to what? So the negative side of a 9V battery is connected to the graphite tip of this pencil, and the positive side of this 9V battery is connected to the positive side of this LED light, and the negative side of this LED light is connected to this pencil's graphite tip. So let's see what will happen. And what will happen also, just to tell you, is that the light will on. I'll be explaining after the light will on. And I'll put some more water, and soon the light will on. So, the light will on. How does the light on? You're probably thinking. So, you can see the graphite tip, this one and this one. When water touches, electricity will pass through. And graphite, electricity can pass through. That's why electricity passes through, and then got electricity to the LED bulb, but it needs power. That's when this 9V battery comes in. It passes power through this wire, and then the light bulb ons. And the various material electricity can go through is graphite, as you know, water, metal, etc. And the various material electricity can't go through is plastic, glass, and wood, etc. And this can be used for filling the required amount of water into a jug, glass, and water tank, small one. So, hope you like my experiment, and thank you.